Just pretend my bed's made. Nobody has to know it's like this. It's okay. Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to day 8 of our 100 Days Splits Challenge. I'm going to be running out of fingers really soon, so I definitely feel better today. I got more sleep, so that's good. And I feel less tired. So without further ado, those who are joining me, let's do this. Let's get ready to rumble. And for those of you just watching, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Per the usual, we're going to stretch first. And we're stretching the left side. I have some wild pants on today. You see those? They're super wild. They're fun though. I love them. They're like some of my favorite pair of pants. And they're super comfortable. I guess nobody would ever believe me if I told them, or they might, if I told them that they came with an 80s workout costume from Amazon. That's what these were. And they're like some of the most comfortable leggings that I own. I wear them all the time. We'll just pretend that that's been made the whole time. I was being lazy and laying in my bed to edit earlier, so. Okay, we're stretched. Now let's do the splits. Okay, I think we're getting pretty far down there. We're still not on the floor, but we're getting pretty far down there. All right, now time for the right. Right side is stretched. Let's do the splits. That one is definitely a lot harder, and it's definitely more tense. But I feel like it's doing a little better. It's doing a lot better than it was yesterday. Yesterday was not great. All right, middle. was a lot less tired today, which definitely did help. And with that being said, leave a comment, let me know how your guys' split journey is going, and if you're doing the journey at all. If you're not, that's cool, I want to hear all about it. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!